Okay, just stand together. Sit right there. Okay.
Say.
That's a great thing together.
We helped them find their friends' footprints.
What animal makes that sound?
Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper. Remember their race cars? Say. It's Shovel and
That's a
Pail.
great thing
Remember how we helped them find their
together.
friends' footprints?
That was a great thing together.
Say.
What animal makes that
It's Shovel
sound?
and Pail. Remember how we helped them find their friends' footprints?
Cow, cow. Right, a cow goes.
Remember their race cars? Okay, all right, just a little to the left. Great. Sit. And Pail. Remember how we helped them find their friends' footprints? Go. Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper. Remember their race cars? Okay, all right, just a little to the left. Great. Say.
Steve, we finally decided. I'm magenta. And I'm blue.
Oh, it's the Belt Friends.
Butch and I are reading a book
Constance.
about animals and what sounds they
Remember
make.
their race cars? Okay, all right, just a little to the left. Great. Say.
Steve, we finally decided. I'm magenta. And I'm blue.
Oh, it's the Belt Friends.
That's a great thing together. That's great.
Great. Ready? Say. It's Shovel and Pail. Remember how we helped them find their friends' footprints? Go.
Butch and I are reading a book about animals and what sounds they make.
Okay, you two stand together. Great. Ready? Say. It's Shovel and Pail. Remember how we helped them find their friends' footprints?
What animal makes that sound?
Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper. Remember their race cars? Okay, all right, just a little to the left. Great. Say.
Steve.
And together. Great. Ready? Say.
I don't think it was a great thing together.
Shovel and Pail. Remember how we helped them find their friends' footprints? Go. Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper. Remember their race. Hold on to this camera. Okay, you two stand together. Great. Ready? Say. It's Shovel and Pail. Remember how we helped them find their friends' footprints? Go. Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper. Remember their race cars? Okay,
That's a great thing together.
great. Ready? Say.
A rooster, a
Shovel
rooster.
and Pail. Remember how we helped them find their friends' footprints? Go. Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper. Remember their... You two stand together. Great. Ready? Say.
A rooster, a rooster.
It's Shovel and Pail.
Right.
Remember how we helped them find their friends' footprints? If you could just hold on to this camera. Okay, you two stand together. Great. Ready? Say.
A rooster.
Shovel and Pail.
That's a great thing together.
That sound.
Go. Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper. Great. Thanks. If you could just hold on to this camera. Okay, you two stand together. Great. Ready? Say.
That's a great thing together.
Remember how we helped them find their friends' footprints?
That's a great thing together.
Go. Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper.
It's just right there.
A rooster, a rooster.
Right. So good thing together.
A rooster.
That's right. You know what that is?
A rooster. Right.
That's right.
Rooster said.
Hush, hush. Be very quiet. So very quiet. Shh. Hush, hush. Listen up above your ears. Tell me now, do you hear?
Well, I don't hear a plug, not a plug, or a plug.
Or a crash, boom, dunk, it's way too quiet.
In the land of hush,
There's never any rush.
we tiptoe when we walk and shh
When we talk
in the land of
hush, you're a moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day when you're quiet. Very quiet. You can calm what you're thinking in your head. But when you're quiet, so very quiet, you'll feel warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed.
we feel warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed.
In the land of hush, with a moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day. In the land of hush, you'll sleep tight through the night. You're a blink and a wink from a morning light.